Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a stunning Dutch headband braid. Let's jump right in. Start by parting the hair from ear to ear and tie back the rest to keep it out of the way. Now we'll start on one side. Take a small section of hair and divide it into 3 even strands. A front strand, a middle strand, and a back strand. Next, cross the front strand under the middle. Then cross the back strand under the middle. Now look carefully at the hand positions as we are going to start adding hair. Cross the front strand under the middle and add a small section of hair to that strand. For the back strand, don't add any hair, just cross it under the middle. Continue the same pattern. Cross the front strand under the middle, add a small section to it, and cross the back strand under the middle without adding hair. By the way, whenever I create a beginner-friendly braiding tutorial, I'll add it to a playlist on my channel. So make sure to check the description below for the link and explore more easy-to-follow guides. Once you've braided to the center, it's time to switch sides. Adjust your hand positions to keep control and ensure the braid stays neat. Continue the same steps. Cross the back strand under the middle without adding hair. Then cross the front strand under the middle and add a small section of hair to the strand you just crossed under. Make sure the braid lines up with the part for a polished professional look. If the braid feels loose, gently tighten each section as you go. As you reach the neck area, hold your hands close to the scalp. This keeps the strands smooth and prevents bumps. Once you've added the last section of hair, switch to a regular 3-strand braid by simply crossing the strands under each other. Keep going until the braid is long enough to tuck behind the head, and then secure it with an elastic. Here is a little trick to make it look seamless. Take a small section of hair from underneath and tie it together with the braid's end. This hides the elastic and gives the braid a polished, clean finish. And there you have it, a beautiful Dutch headband braid. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly braiding guides. Check the description for playlists full of step-by-step tutorials to inspire your next hairstyle.